Okay, so women need to miss you in order to love you, okay? And I'm going to show you how to maximize hypergamy effortlessly. Today, I just want to focus on why women need to miss you in order to love you. Okay, so here's what you're going to have to know. A man's attraction grows in time spent, but a woman's attraction will only grow in time apart. They are two very different attraction strategies. So because of that, I'm going to show you how to maximize hypergamy so that way her emotions work in your favor. So as you guys know, I've been helping men learn, understand, and master the language of women. I'm just going to show you more proof. This guy puts up this picture of him and the woman he's with. He goes, that's one of two. Got her when I was listening to Casey Zander on YouTube, but maintained through checks and my own inner work thanks to language of women. You see that? I highlighted it. Thanks to language of women. This is what I'm seeing. I see this every week. I know that I've been delivering these guys results. So after today's video is over, join us inside of that because I've created literally the best community for a man to truly get dating success. And yes, I'm proud of what I built. Join me inside of that. So like I said, women need to miss you. Now to maximize hypergamy, you must create time apart. You're going to have to create some distance. You're going to have to create some slight separation. I'm not saying ghost her. I'm not saying don't ever talk to her. I'm not saying be so unresponsive that she thinks you have zero interest and that you would never be there for her. That's going to make her feel not very safe in the relationship to be with you. But you have to show strength that you don't need constant communication. That is what I'm trying to get at. The most important thing right here is you're going to have a detachment from needing your cell phone and constant communication. This is going to be your biggest source of probably relationship anxiety, is needing that constant cell phone communication. Listen to me closely. The more cell phone communication you need, the more she doubts your strength. So this allows her to feel like you are emotionally stronger than she is internally when you show that you're willing to create some time and separation apart. Okay? Very important. Men oftentimes think that if they don't talk to her, she will exit. This could not be further from the truth because in reality, you are allowing her to filter for her own hypergamous best option. So that means don't fear this. Don't fear that if there's a little bit of space, separation, time apart, that this is going to lower her desire. It's not. You are actually doing her a favor in the relationship due to the fact that you are allowing her to truly see you as her hypergamous best option. This is good. This space is good. You're allowing hypergamy to work in your favor. You're actually creating an emotion, a feeling, so she wakes up that morning and goes, I think he's strong. She goes to bed at night. She thinks, I think he's strong. Very important. She has to know like you are that man. So she wants to see that you get it. She wants to see that you understand these things. Always remember that as the man, she wants you to be stronger than her and expects you to be stronger than her. And this is why she must test your internal emotional fortitude at all times. She needs to know, she needs the proof. Your biceps are not going to do it for you. Okay, I wish they would. I wish it worked like that, right? I wish you wouldn't have to do all these things, right? But this is why she has to test your internal emotional fortitude. So here's what you have to remember. This is how the cycle will go. She's going to date you, and then she's going to sleep with you, and then she's going to pull back just a little bit. She's going to pull right back just a little bit, to see if you will break and go weak, and then she's going to repeat. This is going to go on for days, weeks, months, and years. She's going to date you or be in the relationship with you, then she's going to sleep with you, then she's going to pull back just a little bit more. I go, I got him to reach back out. I got him to call me a second time. I ignored him all day Saturday, and then all day Sunday, he was on text message wondering what I'm doing. Oh, look at him, he's breaking. Repeat. And then the cycle repeats again. She's going to see you, Then she's going to sleep with you. Then she's going to pull back just a little bit. Then she's going to see if you chase. Then she's going to repeat forever. This will happen forever. I don't care how old you are. This will happen forever. Every dating experience, every relationship, every woman you're ever with, this is going to be the cycle. And every day she's going to go, I wonder if he's too attached. I wonder if he's too invested. I wonder if I can now have a reason to leave him. This is what you always have to remember, is she is looking, she is searching for a reason to leave you. Okay? So, most modern men instantly think that they are at the default lower value mindset compared to her. Okay? This is what they think. Most modern men think instantly that they are at the default lower value mindset compared to her. Okay? They think that she's better than he is. That man truly starts to believe that the woman is better than he is in the relationship. So he feels like he can't replace her, okay? And then the man will assume that no other woman will like him. And this now signals over attachment. You can't do this. This is why I titled the video, Women Need to Miss You in Order to Love You. So he misses her more than she misses him, okay? And now she thinks that she is the stronger one in the relationship and it's completely over. This is what you have to know. Once the woman believes fully, 100%, that she is the stronger one in the relationship than you, once she believes that you need her more than she needs you, it's over. So here's what you have to know, okay? This is such a cheat code because a guy who is, let's say, average when it comes to SMV, let's say he's between a 5.5 to a 7 on an SMV scale. He will satisfy hypergamy better than men who are actually more attractive than he is simply by not needing additional cell phone communication and additional cell phone reassurance. This right here is a total cheat code, okay? A guy who is between a 5.5 to a 7 can literally satisfy hypergamy better than men who are typically more attractive than he is. Maybe they make more money, they're taller, they're of higher status, they're better looking, whatever. He will satisfy hypergamy better by not needing cell phone reassurance and cell phone communication. Women value internal strength more than they do external strength. I want you to understand this. External strength will definitely add a layer of attraction. She's going to look at you and go, wow, he's hot. But what you have to know is the internal strength is what keeps the relationship together. So phones have made the modern man very weak. You have to know this. Cell phones have made the modern man very weak. It allows for no space, okay, for her to miss you. And then what happens is he is manipulated by social media. The man becomes manipulated by social media. Oh, this woman posted this. This woman posted that. This woman posted this story. My ex-girlfriend posted this. What does that mean? All of it is endless thoughts. You don't want to be distracted by any of this. It's not good. So hypergamy is satisfied when you are not there. This is the point that I want to get across. She can't value the safety, the security, the protection, and the guidance that a masculine man brings to the table unless she knows what it feels like to not have it. Think about that for a second. If she doesn't know what it feels like to not have it, if she doesn't know what it feels like to miss it, she can't value you. You're always there, you're too available. If a masculine man is calm, stoic, sure of himself, self-reliant, and needs nobody, okay? She doesn't know this unless you prove it to her and constantly demonstrate it over and over. She doesn't know that you have these traits. It's not like she can just look at you and know. These are internal high-value traits. You're going to have to demonstrate them. How do you demonstrate them? By passing her tests. She will always test you. So the testing will never, ever, ever end. Never. It's not ever going to end. Okay? This is what you have to know, is it's not ever going to end. Verbally, you need to spot all of these things verbally. You need to always spot these things verbally, okay? A woman's goal naturally is to see if she can do these few things. Number one is make you fall in love. Number two, get you to want her in that relationship. Number three, pull back to see if it crushes you. And then discard you if you've proved that you're in scarcity and can be manipulated. That's the whole plan. That's the whole relationship in a nutshell. I know that that sounds really painful to hear, but I'll say it one more time just because I don't care. You need to hear the truth. A woman's goal is naturally to see if she can make you fall in love, get you to want her in that relationship, then pull back to see if it crushes you, and then disregard you or discard you if you prove that you're in scarcity and can be manipulated. So that right there is why you need to let her miss you. If you like this video, hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. And take this a step further. Listen to me closely. If you think that these videos are structured well, because I already know that a lot of people think that I teach this stuff really well, step by step. If you think that this is taught really well, I want you to imagine just for a second how structured I take it inside of the language of women process. When I show you my internal step-by-step processes that took me months to build, I want you to imagine just for a second how in-depth I take those trainings. My goal when you step into that is to understand female nature and to understand these relationship dynamics better than you ever have before, so you have long-term, lasting, lifelong dating success. That is why I built this. Hop into that. You will love it.